W191 series water pump intelligent inverter. How to install the inverter. Unscrew the 4 screws of the water pump junction box and remove the upper cover. Thread one end of the motor wire through the waterproof connector on the top cover of the junction box. Then confirm the motor connection according to the connection label. Use a wrench to unscrew the uppermost nut on the one side and remove the gasket. Secure the motor wires to the motor terminals. Then tighten the nut with a wrench. Connect the motor ground wire. Close the wiring cover and tighten the waterproof connector. Then fix the base plate of the inverter with long screws. After fixing the base plate, put the inverter on the base plate. Remove the 4 screws from the top cover of the inverter, and then remove the top cover. Pass the other end of the motor wire through the waterproof connector in the middle of the inverter. Remove the screws from the motor terminals. Then fix the motor wires to the corresponding terminals. Next, run the power cord through the waterproof connector on the left. Remove the screws from the power terminals. Secure the power cord to the corresponding terminals. Then fix the 2 ground wires to the PE terminals. Thread the sensor wire through the waterproof connector on the right. Connect the sensor wires to the corresponding terminals as marked in the figure. Reinstall the top cover of the frequency inverter. Then put the original screws back and secure. Take out the 6 short screws in the instruction back to fix the inverter to the base plate. Finally, connect the sensor and sensor wire. The installation is complete.